Well, here's as promised. I'm going to do the twist. Attempt to do the fold one way, fold the other way. Keep on going until they're flat on both sides. Okay. Then we're going to heat up the wire with the iron. Actually, I'm going to clean it up and put some on the end. Flash it a little bit. There we go. So now we're going to heat up the wire. What you want to do is heat up the wire underneath. Takes a second, well, maybe 5. All right, about 30 seconds to a minute. You want to get the wire hot. You don't want to set your solder right on your tip. You actually want the wires to be hot enough so that they'll melt the solder, and then you get a good solder. There you go. So I'm actually touching the wire, and it's working itself into the thing. And then you always want to pull your wire away before you pull your gun away. And there you go. Alright, and from there, slip your shrink tube on there. And sometimes you have, anyway, slide this on there real quick. Okay, and then just use the back of your, a little bit higher up on your gun, or on your soldering iron. Just use that and just touch it on there. It'll shrink that shrink wrap. See it smoking a little bit? It's alright. See the top there. I ain't no pro at this stuff. Probably the other people on there do a lot better job than me. Anyway, you can see the shrink wrap shrunk. It didn't burn through it. I didn't have to go try something else or heat up with another something. Just use